You are this person's kryptonite. This person has tried so hard to forget about you. And I feel like the more this individual tries to repress their emotions in regards to you, the more the emotions come up to the surface. And I feel like you may find that this individual stares at you, especially when there is a group setting. You may have met this person, for some of you, at some sort of event, some sort of gathering, some sort of party. Maybe it was a wedding celebration. And for others of you, I feel like this could be a friend, Mario, say I'm just a friend. But I feel like this individual is weakened by your presence. They are obsessed with you. This is something that was not part of the plan. This is something that is an annoyance to this individual. And not that you are annoying, but the way that they feel is annoying because they like to be in control, but they feel that whenever they are around you, they lose control. They give away how they actually feel, whether it's through a glance, whether it's through always wanting to talk to you, whether it's through always wanting to be around you, be near you. And they may have tried to push you away in the past. And that was due to the fact that they felt as if you were sensing their feelings. They felt as if you had some sort of hold over them, and you do. And you make this person feel disempowered. It's not your fault. It's just the energy that you exude that makes this person feel as if they have to let down their guard. This person is so used to projecting an image onto others that people want to see, someone that's strong and confident and powerful. And they are those things. But when it comes to you, it's something totally different. You make this person melt. You make this person feel as if, you know, they have to hand over their heart to you. It's like this person feels like there's nothing that they won't ever do for you. You have that power over this person. And I feel like this person is used to having that type of power over other people. And now they've met their match. This person may have had you waiting in the past. And I feel like in the past, this individual was the type of person to have other people waiting on them, you know, and they gained a sense of power from knowing this. But with you, this person doesn't want to wait on you because they feel like if they wait any longer in regards to making a choice or moving towards you, they're going to lose out on opportunity. You are someone that they have manifested in. You tick a lot of boxes for this individual. You are this person's wish fulfillment. This person feels a spiritual connection to you. You could be of a different cultural background to this individual. And this intrigues this person. This person wants to learn about you. They find you intelligent. They find you spiritual. They find you educated. And this individual finds themselves getting very angry with other people that surround you. It's like this individual feels like they're on guard. They feel like they have to compete for others, for your attention. They tried to close out cycles with you in the past, but they keep revisiting cycles with you because they can't let you go. And the more they come towards you, the more angry they feel with themselves whenever they are alone, because again, you weaken this person, and this person tries to strategize how they can mask their emotions, how they can mask their feelings. But their feelings are true and they do exist. They see you as someone that is very regal, an empress. They see you as someone that's very elegant, someone that is self made, independent. Some of you could be business owners or some of you could be well established. But even if that is not the case in the now, this person sees you as wife or husband material. They want to make an investment in you, but at the same time, they feel trapped because they feel like if they make an effort with you, you're going to realize the effect that you have on them. This individual tried to throw people in your face at a time, whether or not they were aware of that, which I feel like for some of you they were. It only led to their downfall. It led to a backfire because if they tried to say get you jealous with other people, I feel as if you may have felt to yourself, okay, so you want him, okay, so you want her, cool. And you may have left the actual situation, which made this person feel to themselves, why aren't you fighting over them? And I feel as if this made this individual want you more. They broke their own heart when it came to trying to hurt you. And the reason why they tried to hurt you was because they were trying to hide the fact that they were falling for you. They were trying to hide the fact that you have power over them. This person has a lot of healing to do. And unfortunately, they projected their unhealed wounds onto you. They've never really entertained the idea of marriage. Maybe in the past, for some of you, they were married or they were going to be married, but this person feels for certain that you are someone that they see in their future. They see themselves marrying someone like you, but they know that they have a lot of hurdles to overcome in regards to getting to that point, because in the now, they don't feel mentally there in regards to being in a connection with you, because they feel like they're going to mess up. They feel like they need to get their mind straight. They feel like they need to match your wisdom, your intuition, your emotional and mental intelligence, because they see you as out of their league. And they often daydream about you all the time, actually. And they just feel like whenever they speak to you, it's almost as if they are taken into another realm. You see the soul of this individual. They feel like they can be authentic in regards to you. Music could be of importance in regards to this actual connection. Whenever they hear a specific song, whenever they see you, they just feel like they are in another world. This person finds you to be extremely beautiful. And I'm hearing the words, how can I be so lucky? But they just feel like they're going to mess it up. And I feel like in the past, they did actually, unfortunately, mess this situation up. This person wants to apologize to some of you. They want to express their feelings to some of you. And I feel like this person may send you some sort of love message. It could be a letter, it could be a text, it could be a phone call, or if they speak to you in person, they may express their emotions to you. Because I feel like this individual realizes how precious you truly are. They played around in the past and they regret doing that. And at the same time, this individual feels like they don't want to lose this connection. They don't want to lose this feeling. They don't want anyone else to experience you. And because of this person feels like if they don't make a move, they're going to miss out on this opportunity. To this individual, you are too good to be true. They are fearful of you because, again, you are like Kryptonite. And you've watched that film. You've watched Superman, right? Kryptonite weakens Superman. And this person is extremely powerful. This person is very stoic. But with you, you managed to melt this individual. You managed to melt their heart. And to other people, I feel like this person could be quite stern, they could be quite sharp. But with you, they're very soft, they're very empathetic. They show their sensitive side. And people are like, what did he or she do to them? People can sense that this person has a lot of strong feelings for you. Because like I said, they're not this way with anyone else. They're only this way with you. It's like you have a hold over them. You hypnotize this individual. And for first time in a long time, this person is falling in love again. Whatever you done to this person has made this person change. Again, it is met with resistance because this person doesn't like anyone having control over them. I mean, who does? But in general, this is a very controlling individual. But you manage to win this person's heart. You make this person weak, SWV. And I feel as if this person is going to make it be known that they are so into you. I don't know why I keep, referencing SWV. That may be your favorite artist or whatever the case is. But again, I do feel as if this person feels that you are a wish and a dream come true. And they don't mind being a fool for you. They don't mind making in a sense, because they're still a little bit uncomfortable about it. They don't mind the fact that because it's you, yeah, they'll do anything for you. What have you done to this person?